Hello all, today I am going to explain the circuit diagram and working of a two-way switch. First of all, let me explain what is a two-way switch. A bulb which can be turned off and on from two different points at a time using a switch is called a two-way switch. Let us see the circuit diagram. The bulb and two-way switches has to be connected as shown in the screen. As you can see on the screen, in the initial position, switch 1 is in off condition and switch 2 is in on condition. Thus, the circuit is not complete and the bulb does not glow. Now, when both switches are in off condition, the circuit is complete and phase current reaches the bulb and bulb glows. Let us look on to the second condition where switch 1 is in on condition and switch 2 remains in off condition. The circuit to the bulb breaks and phase current is cut off. Thus, the bulb does not glow. Now, the last condition where both the switches are in on position. The circuit is complete and phase current reaches the bulb and bulb glows. And this is how the two-way switch helps you to control the bulb from two different points. Now you can see the actual connection of a two-way switch. As previously shown in the circuit diagram, the lines L1 of switch 1 and L3 of switch 2 are connected to each other, and lines L2 of switch 1 and L4 of switch 2 are connected to each other. The phase input from power supply is connected to the common of switch 1, and phase output from common of the switch 2 is connected to the bulb. Now let us see the working. When both switches are in off condition, the bulb glows. And when both switches are in on condition, the bulb still glows, and in all other conditions, the bulb does not glow. And this is how two switches control a single bulb simultaneously. I hope this small video was helpful. Please like and share this video, and for more technical videos, please subscribe our channel.